There's a reason why I moved out. It's because I just cried like this every single day.
I set my house on fire.
The doormat. A nice big fat hug. Cheers.
Yeah. And tonight we're making pho and I'm having people come over. This just makes me feel classic. Crazy shopping spree. Salad roll master, y'all.
That was so cool. I'm still sick.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, I'm sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see. So bad I'm not using my Visine. Gotta get it like Leon, and I'm a Lycine. So beautiful like in my dreams.
I thought it could be a good time to try the bidet for the first time. Ugh, this shit looks scary. Alright, well, I think I just click a button. Oh, okay, it's working. Oh, okay, I'm done. Dryer. Oh, there we go. Now it's drying my ass. Yes, y'all. This is a heated toilet seat. What a refreshing morning. I'm going to wear the green alchemy. I haven't washed these in a week, and I know you're gonna call me disgusting. I am. I was trying to figure out something to be like, I'm not. I am.
My little bean. Morning. Come on, let's go outside. Looks like my dad got into the chocolate closet. Go pee, go pee. The fact that I can just open a door in my apartment and they can go pee, bruh. This is the life. Hold on tight. And this is the dream. It's all I need. The fact that I can see my old building from here is so crazy to me. I'm like, hey, I miss you. Yeah, go poo, Sterling. Go poo. Go poo. Come here, Munchie. Come here, Munchie. Munchie, Munchie. All right, guys. Ready to go inside?
All right, I just got ready on my TikTok, but we're about to leave to go back to my old apartment. This is the outfit. We got the Alchemy green bonsai hoodie with the sweatpants from Arden, and then this bag, but we're about to head out. Okay, mommy with the Louis. Okay, who gave you that?
Sumai.
Back in the old neighborhood. The trees are so pretty. The movers yesterday literally just like left the stuff here. You know, when my mom's fed up, it's real. Bye-bye. Oh, we just left my old building and I said goodbye to the doorman. The doorman. Not Orlando, not Yanessa, the doorman. Give a nice big fat hug. Anyways, we're headed home right now and she's gonna start making the pho. I still need to go to the grocery store and pick up a couple different things. But my mommy and I are eating breakfast right now. We're at FMN. I used to come here all the time in the summer because the food here is so cheap and it's so good. But personally, my favorite thing is either the Greek yogurt with like the fruit or the breakfast burrito. This shit is so fucking good with like the chipotle. But you have to get the half salad and the half fries. I don't know what the fuck they put on this salad, but it's literally crack. Cheers. Yeah. Cheers. Alright, I'm currently picking out spoons because I don't have any Asian spoons, and tonight we're making pho and I'm having people come over. But I'm not sure which ones I want to get. There's these ones, but they're kind of like light, so I'm thinking getting the heavier ones. Alright, I'm gonna get these. They're kind of textured, if you guys can see, but they're very heavy, which I really love the quality of them. They're $1.95 each. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven right now. I love kitchenware. Can't tell which ones I want because these are cool, but also it's like, I don't know. Or should I get like the traditional ones with the red inside? And then these glass ones are just so fucking heavy. It's just like, I'm gonna break it. Currently, we're gonna head into the supermarket to buy things to make pho and spring rolls tonight, and then also pick up a couple other things. If you know, you know that these are the best instant noodles. Why are my lips purple? Am I dying? Sriracha. I personally don't eat it, but for anyone that comes over, I used to be obsessed with lychee, and my mom would buy this every time we were in the city because we lived in a town, so they didn't sell like Asian stuff. Gotta grab a plastic bowl to make the spring rolls. I was trying to find these ones in the last store. It's just like the classic one. It just makes me feel classic. I literally came in. Is this concerning? I literally came into the store last year to buy one bowl because if you guys don't know, I like didn't really buy very many things because I was just trying not to excessively buy things, and I'm really glad this one bowl did a lot of things for me. Wait, we found these. These are $1 cheaper and it matches. Yeah, they're plastic, but it matches. Jasmine tea. Crazy shopping spree. Christmas! Okay. Christmas! We got the last of the goods. When my mom first moved to Canada, they did construction for a little bit, but then they had a restaurant. And I always tell people that her Vietnamese food is literally the best Vietnamese food I have ever tasted in my entire life. I have yet to have Vietnamese food in Los Angeles or New York that tastes as good as hers, but it's because we don't cheap out on like the ingredients that we use, you know what I mean? Because like if you're like in a restaurant, you're not gonna put like fucking 10 bones in the fucking broth because you gotta be frugal. We're having a fucking pho party tonight. Just got home and I'm genuinely so fucking fed up right now. Tell me why I come home and like you guys know that I'm trying to have a better relationship with my parents. Tell me why I fucking come home. There's piss all over the floors. It smells like fucking cigarette smoke. And I'm like, what the fuck? First of all, who let the dogs out? Second of all, why does it smell like cigarette smoke? And third of all, why is there piss all over the floors? Literally this, guys, I'm just so fucking fed up right now. I'm trying not to be. Like yesterday night, I'm fucking awake. I don't even get to sleep properly because I just hear something just clicking, clicking, and I know it's the fucking oven going off. Somebody's using the fucking gas stove. And something's telling me, like, just go check on it. I go outside this morning. Turns out someone literally turned on the gas stoves and just left them on all fucking night long. Oh my god. Then I just come home right now and it smells like cigarette smoke in the house. And I'm like, what the fuck? Why don't you go on the fucking patio? There's like 3 patios for you to go on to smoke. Why are you smoking inside the house? It's my brand new house and you're gonna smoke inside of it. Second of all, why did you let the dogs out? They literally pissed everywhere. Third of all, why did you just tell me that you fed the dogs again, even though they like, only eat in the morning and the night and you fed the dogs again? Like literally, who fucking asked you to do? Sorry that this is negative, but like genuinely, I get so frustrated and it's like I never include this shit in my regular vlogs because it's like, why would anyone see this? But I guess it's a daily vlog now. This is some shit that like, bro, I'm trying so hard to like, I need to just take a break because I just get so frustrated and it's like I'm trying, but it's so hard. I know you guys are probably here for some fucking moving vlogs and Christmas vlogs, but this is just life because I know that you guys just see me happy all the time and shit, but this is how I was for literally my whole entire life when I lived at home. There's a reason why I moved out. It's because I just cried like this every single day. I literally just want to say that I'm so grateful to have you guys because this is just reminding me of how I used to cry and be so sad every single day when I lived at home. And I always dreamed of the day that I never had to like cry like this and just feel like this ever again. And I know it's gonna be like, oh my, it's like not that big of a deal, you know what I mean? Like it's just like little things. It's not just these little things, it's just like things just, I don't know. I'm just like, bro, are you for real right now? Like it's been years and you're still like this. This is just making me realize how grateful I am to have you guys because without you guys, I, 1, wouldn't have anyone to talk to, and 2, wouldn't have been able to move out when I was 15. And like genuinely, like I don't know where I would be without you guys because this literally just reminded me. Like I haven't felt this feeling in a very long time. And this just like fucking transcended me back into 15-year-old me mindset. And I'm just like, fuck, I hate this feeling. Ugh, I just know I'm gonna get the comment where it's like, oh my god, get over yourself, first world problems. But bitch, I don't give 2 fucks. You know, there's a lot of problems that you deal with as a teenager, such as, you know, schoolwork, bullying, all this stuff. But like family problems is a different fucking beast. A different fucking beast. That shit, like you can't escape it. But just know that when you do, oh my fuck, I love my life right now. Like I love my life right now. But it's just that this just like literally spiraled me back. I think I'm so sad right now because I'm like, I can't believe I used to live like this. I can't cry. I just wow, I think this is gonna be the most raw vlogs I've ever posted in my entire life. And I just know that there are so many people watching that are gonna understand what I'm saying. And if I can just help one person, so fucking be it. This is not looking cute. All right, we're back. I turned my speaker on and I'm gonna play happy music because that always makes me feel good. The Empire State Building. Fuck. I'm very grateful to be able to go outside and currently making signals. Alright, my parents and I are at the grocery store now, just picking up some last things for the pho and stuff like that. So we're gonna grab some limes, 6 for $2, if I do say so myself. What a steal. What? She said I picked them so badly. Oh my god. She's like, you gotta pick the inside ones. They're fresher than the ones out there.
So pick the heaviest one.
Heavy more here, light and heavy. From the scale, same price.
Yo, we have been on the hunt for food coloring. Tell me why there is no food color. This is weird. Look what we got. Oh, fuck. I'm really just hitting myself right now. Sorted. I definitely don't need anything from the dollar store, but still entice me. I was watching my old vlogs. I feel like I'm saying this in every fucking second. And I went to the Dollarama to buy all of my home appliances and cleaning supplies when I first moved, and it really is a steal. But you know what? I like to be able to use my things for like 2 years. 3 years, I would say, is usually, and this shit lasts you 3 seconds. And that's what I've learned. It is just so fun to walk through here and just pick up random shit that you do not need, but when you're here, you feel like you need it. Oh my god. The amount of times that these mirrors give me body dysmorphia. The best cereal. I'm walking through here right now, looking up and down like I don't need anything. I'm trying to figure out like if like there's anything that I could buy. Seems like my mom found something to buy. First load of laundry. I've worn the Alchemy hoodies like 10 days in a row now and they're fucking disgusting. What's your ETA? 9 minutes.
Nó chặt, nó thái nó ngon không? Nó kéo đi bát ruột rồi. Rồi cái bề cái lung để xuống đất.
I remember this was so much easier, man.
Không có đâu, tại cái này nó bự quá, nó dài.
Không, mẹ làm cái này, con làm salad roll. Here we have my mommy making me spring rolls, and she was trying to teach me how to wrap it, and I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But don't think that I'm incompetent. I used to be able to do that when I was younger, but years have gone by, okay? But you know what I do know how to make salad rolls. Fun fact about me is that I used to host parties when I was younger, and I know you guys might be like, my with what friends? Listen, I grew up in a small town, okay, where it gets around. You don't have to actually have friends for them to show up at your parties, especially when everyone knows if they come to your house, they're getting fucking freshly made spring rolls. Yes, because my mom would bust out the fucking pack of frozen spring rolls out the fridge and deep fry them shits for everybody at the party. Now, when you're drunk, oh my god. Oh, hot, fresh spring rolls, so good. And especially in the Canadian cold winters when you're having like garage parties, if you know, you know. Spring rolls may not be my specialty, but you know what is? Salad rolls. So, today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make salad rolls. First, you're gonna take these things called rice papers, and you're just gonna dunk them in the water, but don't dunk them in too long or else you're gonna have a wet and soggy piece of fucking paper.
Shrimp right here.
Shrimp right here.
2 shrimp.
2 shrimp. Oh shit, she makes it a different way than I do, but she also is the pro, so we're gonna listen to her. Like that?
Right here.
Or is it too much? Oh, she's the pro. Maybe we should let her take over. Okay, you're gonna take your 2 little minties. Whoa, how do you roll it? I've never rolled it like this before.
How do you roll?
Oh shit, she's the fucking salad roll master, y'all. Wow! That shit looks mad sexy. You be going to the fucking restaurants and that shit falling apart, it's a good representation of yourself. Ooh! Okay, now I gotta try. Let me in! Peanut sauce! Wow! Are y'all seeing this right now? That's some pho! Wow! If you guys did not know, when I was 12 years old, I set my house on fire and I got myself 2nd and 3rd degree burns because my dad forgot that I was frying french fries and forgot to come inside. And it started an oil fire, which I was too fucking idiot to realize what to do with an oil fire, so I blew myself up. Fun fact. So you know what they purchased for me literally that same day? A fucking deep fryer. Like, thanks for the get well gift, guys. We are cutting the spring roll. That shit look ugly as fuck. Still tastes good. All right, first course meal. She's gonna be preparing the pho while we eat the first course meal. Cheers. I'm nervous because I've told you it's so good. But I've hyped this up so much.
Peanut sauce is good. It's actually really good. Yeah, why do the restaurants peanut sauce taste so different?
Because they're ass.
Yeah.
My god, man, I feel like I'm in Vietnam. Long one. That means so good. We're gonna play some Vietnamese music in the background.
You know this one?
No, it's just Vietnamese music. She's your girl. she's your girl. She's your girl, she's your girl. Damn, shawty. This shit looks so good. I haven't had my mom's pho in like 3 years.